Oh my God, you guys, here we are at Wolf Creek Pass, Colorado, looking south. Same date. I'm going to stop that right there and hold on. All right. Look at the detail. Oh my God. Wow. Again, it's Wolf Creek, Colorado. We're looking south. It's 2/13/2025. And that is, I believe, Tabletop Mountain in front of us there. It's going behind the cloud. You're seeing a lot of detail. There's a very quick rotation and spin on this. We know it can't be a reflection of the sun because the sun takes 27 days to rotate once. This object is rotating a complete rotation in 4.5 hours. So what is it? Could it be the reflection of a different object out in space? I don't know. What I do know is we need to find out what it is. So if anybody has any suggestions at all, please put it in the comments below. Or you happen to know something about these objects. Because that's insane looking. Wouldn't you guys agree? Scary looking. I mean, it appears to be larger than the moon. And it appears to be very close. And we've got crazy weather. We've got volcanoes. We've got flooding. We've got tornadoes. We've got high winds, like hurricane force winds on land. You name it, it's going on. You can see the clock ticking away up top. Moving on. Wolf Creek Pass in Colorado on 2/13/2025. Our object is still there, and our weather is still going crazy. And now we have drones appearing everywhere that don't seem to go away. I know the news has stopped talking about it, but people on the internet are saying they're still there, they're still hanging out. Did you notice it went behind the cloud right there? It wasn't in front of the cloud like a lens flare would be. And look at the size of it. It's huge. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and don't forget to share. Because all interaction with my channel helps it grow. And I like to be able to keep you guys informed. So be sure and share your thoughts below, okay? Moving on. Okay, same date, you guys. Oh my God, check that out. You can see the shield around it. Do you see the shield? Before they cloud it out. And of course the trails. And you know they get a bonus with these chemtrails. Or, yeah, supposed contrails, but they're chemtrails. But they can block these objects out. You can't see them from the ground. See the shield around it, you guys? The edge of it? Do you see it? Right in here. Let me stop it. Right there. Right here. See it on the out right there? It's like a bubble around it. You seeing that? You know, a couple of years ago, we used to see these in Alaska. They've moved. They're down in a different part of the sky now. And that's why we're seeing them over Colorado, Telluride. As far down as even the Louisiana cams. They've been captured on that. And I've noticed that the FAA is constantly putting up more of these cams all over through the United States. In places we didn't have them before, so I suspect they're using them also to monitor these objects, planet objects, or maybe it's a mothership. I don't know. Lyman, Colorado, 2/13/2025. We're looking west. It's setting in the west. Rises in the southeast and sets in the west. Check that out. It's going behind the cloud. You can still see that center crater or that moon or whatever the heck that is. Let me know what you guys think. See how fast it rotates? Look at all those craters move around.